I woke up this morning and my hunger level chose violence. Absolutely ravenous, fiending for some food, and it has been this way for like the past couple of days. And typically I like to work out first, fasted, because I don't know, I just feel better that way. But I sauntered into the kitchen and I warmed myself up some fajitas from last night's dinner. Slapped some eggs on it. Great, good, loving life. And now we are just chilling in the bed, waiting for what we all know is inevitably gonna happen, which is I'm going to need to shit soon. And girl, I'm not about to go out into that gym, get 15 minutes into my 30-minute workout, and have to pause to poop. We're just not about it. So we're just waiting for nature to take its course, and then we will get to it. And if you're wondering right now why I look like Damien from Mean Girls sneaking into the all-girls meeting in the school gym,
she doesn't even go here.
It's just one of those days. The chickens are big as hell, and I think it's time to introduce them to the coop thoroughly. They were out there one day when I was cleaning out this cage, but it was like a little bit too cold for them. But today it's supposed to get up to like 86. We're gonna put them out there for multiple hours today, not just for coop clean. First we gotta lock up the dogs and the cat in the room so no accidents happen. They've been pretty chill with them like in the cage, but you know, like when little things like scamper, cross, and run, that prey drive sets in and it's not going to be pretty. So slow introductions. Let's all just learn that the chickens are not too small. We got Maybe, we got Charles. Where's Dougie? Come on, Dougie! Come on, find time! No. You want to help be a chicken taxi? There's only 15.
Not really, but I will.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, chickens. Hi, chickens. Come on, girls. Oh, who wants to go on a field trip?
Come on, babies. Oh, my God.
Come on, girls.
Come on, girls.
Okay, you. And you.
You're okay. All will be good to go. I wish my roll wasn't out, but you're kind of perched on it.
I was gonna say, that's chilling.
Chilling on my roll.
Oh, look at the piano one.
Oh, you're gonna get my eye. We found a mini greenhouse at Tractor Supply that was like $50, and for $50, that thing is pretty good. I haven't put plants on it yet, but I don't know. I'm just really looking forward to getting all of this out of the house and hopefully get rid of the fruit fly problem that we've been having. Because while I am trying to get 30 grams of protein per meal, I'm not really keen on doing it via fruit fly. So let's get these hoes out of here.
Dearest gentle reader.
Listen, I'm not proud about it, but I stayed up till 3 a.m. last night binge watching the 3rd season of Bridgerton. And episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, underwhelmed. The last 15 minutes of episode 4 made it all worth it, okay? I'm gonna try not to do spoilers, but I want to talk about it. Mainly just like, do we like Colin? Do we like him? Do we really? And I'm kind of thinking about it and I'm like, do I like any of the characters actually? The most interesting one is Penelope, mainly because like she has this huge secret. She like runs a gossip paper kind of against the queen, you know, a little bit of a rebel. She gets a glow up, but like they do not give her quality suitors. That Lord Dingleberry or whatever, Dublin, whatever his name is, he is so like, why is he even a contender? Just because he's nice to her, but like he's boring. He's so boring. And then Colin, does he have a thought that's not about himself ever? He's just like a little bit better than Lord Dublin or whatever his name is, just simply for the fact that like he would be a love match for her. And I'm sorry, but I do not give a fuck about Francesca. Like, we do not need her storyline. Just boring. I don't know if you can hear the guinea pig going to town on the water bottle, but he is. That thing is the bane of my existence. I figured out what the problem with the guinea pig water bottle is, by the way. I'm gonna stop talking about Bridgerton because it pisses me off. Also, the fact that I have to wait a whole nother month to get the tea. And I think to myself, like, why do I like the show? Like, even Steven was like wanting to shake Colin. He was getting into it too. Why do I like this show? Why? And when it comes to like the spice is not even spicy. You know what I mean? Like, is it? I consider myself like the least sexual person possible, and I'm like, why is everybody getting all hot and bothered over missionary? Like, what are you? Am I not seeing it? Like, to be honest, I felt the same about the spice in like the ACOTAR books too. Like, at least I read like the first 2 so far. I kind of like left that series in the dust. I get bored. Like, what is my attention span? Not great. Anyways, while we're on the topic of Steven getting interested in the things that I'm interested in, I think he saw how much like I was struggling with the whole weight loss thing. So he decided he's gonna start like counting his calories too, because like that's what I'm doing, even though he doesn't need to. He's not trying to cut back at all. But since he's never done that, he's surprised like how many calories are in just like everything. Also, I don't know if you've heard about them, but there's these things called Conqueror challenges. It's like a virtual challenge, but you get like all these cool medals. One was recently advertised to me. It was like a Star Wars challenge. I guess they partnered with the Star Wars franchise and they have a themed challenge around that where you work your way into earning like 6 different medals for a total of like, I think it's like 921 miles total. And one of my goals is to start running or being more comfortable running, at least like, okay, at least I would like to work my way up to being able to jog the entire time for like a 5K, which is 3.1 miles, I believe. I've been working on that. But so anyways, I showed Steven like this challenge and he's like, why don't we do it? We could do it together. So we joined as a team, and like every day you log your miles and it all adds to like this grand total, and you get medals along the way. And even though he doesn't like exercising, he has been getting on the treadmill every night, racking up some miles, you know. So it kind of feels like I'm doing it with someone now rather than completely on my own. And even though like we have different goals, like, you know, obviously he's not trying to like lose weight or whatever, but still it's like there's someone doing it with me. Also, it would be good for him too. He can't bank on his freaking fast metabolism forever. But I don't know. So I am excited about that. But anyways, I just want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!